Hey guys, Dr. John DeVries here with Freedom Physical Therapy and Wellness. Today we're going to go over something called hip extension, which is basically your hip's ability or your leg's ability to come back like this. If you have loss of hip extension, oftentimes that can lead to hip pain, hip stiffness, difficulty bringing your leg up like this. So this often happens because we sit in chairs throughout the day, we bend forward, but we never really open up the hips the opposite direction, and that can just cause the joint to get stiff or those hip flexors to get tight. So what you can do here is what we call repeated hip extension. So with that exercise, what you would do here is get a pillow or something soft that you can put on the ground. And so I'm going to place that there, and then you're going to put your knee onto that pillow. So this is going to be to stretch that right hip. So you'll come here, and then you're just going to push your hip forward, hold for a second or two, and then come back. And you're going to do 10 repetitions, 1 to 2 second hold. Try about 4 times a day if you feel like it's somewhat stiff. If you're actually painful, remember to tell people every couple hours. So I'm going to show you from a side view. Same thing here. And you're just going to push forward, second or two hold, and then back. Yeah, again, oftentimes this can help with loss of hip extension and can just help improve the mobility on the front of that hip. So if you're dealing with any of those issues, hip stiffness, hip pain, give that one a shot and see if it helps. If it doesn't, feel free to reach out to me. If you've got questions about clarification on something that I've explained well enough, feel free to leave it in the comments. But yeah, that's to help improve your ability for hip extension. So if you have questions, again, let me know. Thanks, guys.